this would be something that you could enjoy and get away with. Yeah. Let us smell it.
Yeah, let's smell it one more time. Yeah, like that's that.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you from the Frag View, coming to you with another video and review. And today I have my other brother is here, Demetrius.
I'm in the place.
He is here. So, brother, introduce yourself to my viewers.
Well, guess what? I'm the second half of the guy who did the other video. What a shocker. No, my name is Demetrius Patterson. I am the CEO and owner of Diverse Inclusions, Weddings, Events, and Designs, where we specialize in luxury events. You probably saw my husband do a previous video with our wonderful sister. Mm-hmm. So I'm excited to be here. I think that my choice and selection of both perfume and cologne, which you tap into that, catch that, okay? We're going to go up against each other somewhat and see what fragrance matches what we have. So we're going to throw some topics out there. I feel like my sister's got some stuff for me. Yes. But I'm excited to be here.
Yes. Well, we are going to do a man versus woman in the fragrance world. We're going to get in the arena, guys. All right. My brother is getting involved and getting his feet all dipped in on the fragrance train, okay? Yes. His birthday, he was coming, bringing them out. Yes. So I thought this would be a great video. We have 5 topics. So we each have 5 different fragrances. And the topics that we're going to talk about are date night, spring and summer. You know, that's where we are, spring and summer. Some of you all are still in winter. We're kind of flip-flopping as well. Yeah. Work every day. So my brother works in the office. You all know I work from home. But we also have daytime and nighttime suggestions. Okay, so we a lot of times talk about women fragrance on my channel, sometimes even unisex, but now we have a man's perspective. So let's get into it. So, date night, round one. Okay, round 1, date night.
Ladies first.
Okay, what I would wear on date night, okay? I would pull out Francis Kirk de John Gentle Fluidity Gold, okay? So I would pull, this is your vanilla, a little bit of, little flavor. Okay. You know, I'm going to let you smell it.
She coming out, she hitting it hard, okay?
Let you smell that little, sensual, little, because then you also, like, I can just think of, like, a man getting close to me, getting close to my neck, and then ending in...
That's that grab you close.
And hold it real close. So we're going to do this, ladies, okay?
That's a sure bona fide way to get that hug.
And we want that hug.
Yeah, little right behind the ear smell. That right there. All right there.
On your pulse points.
Yeah, that. So.
Okay.
I guess this is why she's my sister. Because my go-to date night, which is given to me by one of my greatest and best friends, Sir High Class Johnny Lester Massey, turned me on to Mr.
Mason Francis Kirk de John, MFK.
So, I actually, I don't know if you can see that, it's a white box. Sampler, because I could not make up my mind. However, my go-to date night fragrance is none other than the Baccarat.
The Baccarat?
$450.
Oh, $450.
Oh, no. Wait, let me correct myself.
Oh.
Baccarat $540 Rouge.
Ooh, the Rouge.
The Rouge.
Okay.
This, should you buy it, has a heavier oil.
Okay.
So I definitely think that it can be gender bender.
Okay.
Let me say it that way. The smell of it, the more the oil, the stronger it is.
Okay.
Will give off more of a masculine smell depending on the pheromones that you give off. But get that away.
Okay. Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's that.
He might have kicked out. You all comment down below, like who wins these rounds, so we can, review. But
I call that a surefire way to get a kiss on date night. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
He might have got that
right there.
Okay.
Remember we talked about that spot?
Pulse point. Okay.
Just pulse points. And it's so light. Just a quick dab each side. You don't have to do it all over your body. If you're the person where your skin sensitive, spread it in the palm of your hand. Dab. Hit your pulse points on your clothing. If your skin is very sensitive. This way, it also stays with you all night.
Okay. And do men, I know that we like women, we like, do men like also kind of, what y'all do?
So some people bathe in it. Men, fellas, if you're watching this with your lady or your significant other, whoever it is, we don't care who you love. Amen.
Amen.
But don't take a bath in it. You don't need it.
Okay.
Honestly, don't. This is just my holy trinity.
Okay.
I go once around this area.
Okay.
I may go once in my hand, and in my hand, I'm going to go down my chest all the way to my knee. I'm just one clean swipe all the way down the front.
Okay.
Now, if you're the type of person where you prefer your scents when you're getting dressed prior to putting on clothing, then you hit your hot spots.
Okay.
1, 2, and 3. And then you go. There you go. All night, everywhere smells great. You sit down and get up, it smells wonderful. Like, I don't know what to say.
Okay. Well, all right, guys, do not bathe. Okay, men.
Listen, don't bathe in it. We want you to take a bath. Please. We don't want you to bathe in the cologne.
Please. Very important. Before you even touch a fragrance, take a bath.
There's nothing more unattractive than somebody sneezing because you got too much of it.
Yeah, that is true.
Then it makes me think you didn't have a chance to take a bath.
That's true. Okay. Some tips and tea.
Don't do it, fellas. Don't do it.
All right. So go on to spring and summer. Okay, now I got a good one. This is from Memo Paris, Terra Mundo. Look at that.
Okay.
This is vacation luxury coconut babe. This is Kim Kardashian on steroids to me. Like that is.
Oh my God.
Do you think that's unisex?
I feel like it is. It's got to be. It's very fluid.
Okay.
And the only reason I say that is because it is light enough that if you smell it as a faint smell, I could easily see a guy or a girl wearing this. And you don't. This is a great scent. You don't have to spray a lot. Like just this little bit was enough for her to pass by my nose. I'm like, oh, where you going? Who's that? Where you come from? Oh, yeah, friend.
Okay.
Ooh. Now, what's the name of this again? She might have won this round.
Terra Mundo Memo Paris. Paris.
Okay, show them this bottle. You need to order this. I think if you try this, you'd be good. Now, I'm not saying get it in a lotion. I'm not saying do none of that. Yeah. But this, I could definitely see this. And like you said, what was this? This is a daytime smell?
This is spring, summer.
Spring, summer. This is definitely a beach. Somebody's vacation. I see white linen, feet in the sand, drinks at sunset. Like I'm painting the whole picture. Take me now. Take me there now, please.
Mimosa, pineapple mimosa.
Oh my God.
Okay. All right, what you got?
She's taking the gloves off today, I see.
Round 2.
Oh. So, again, I'm very indecisive about scents because you just never know how your body's going to react to your own pheromones, right? Take into consideration what body wash you use, what soap you use. And guys don't think about that. Most guys, we just kind of use whatever soap y'all buy. So if depending on if you shop for yourself, there's some guys that be like, oh, shampoo will work too. Let me just try that as a body wash. But We're trying to get better. As guys, we're trying to do a little more. So if you like me and you think about hygiene and skincare, you're also thinking about what goes well, what pairs after that. So if I'm thinking springtime, I'm thinking summertime, I'm thinking it's hot.
Okay.
I'm thinking it could be breezy. So for me, with Creed, I'm also a sampler person. So if you have the opportunity, you will love this product. Pull it back a little bit so you can see it. This is a actual travel kit, but it is a wonderful sampler. I think this is great to use when you're traveling. If you don't want to take a lot, you can have a few extra items with you. But if I was going to go summer, springtime with my sister here, I think that you would like Aventus. Now there is another one I think you love, which is called Love and White. Ooh. So I wanna throw this at you from both sides of the spectrum.
Okay.
This one is gonna be Aventus. Yeah. Very light. So if you wanted your guy to stand out on his own, I think that would be very simple. It's airy. You're out. We're talking maybe breezy. If you're in a tropical area, we're talking about temperature, moisture, like all that plays with the skin. And if you're somebody who hydrates really well, like my sister here, your pheromones are going to give off such a wonderful scent.
Yes, this gives me like it's light woody. It's light woody, and it does give you like this breeze of man. This even smells like it has like a vanilla in it too. Ooh, I like that. Okay.
Now this one, I would definitely recommend. It is. I would say this is probably more unisex, but if you were pairing the two, and like this was a beach, and your guy had one, vice versa, this little sampler is called Love and White.
Love and White. Okay.
So I tend to choose summertime airy.
Yeah.
Sometimes summer you don't want to have a musk. So if you go with more floral tones, something light, maybe citrus or fruity, it won't come off so heavy, especially if you're wearing it during the daytime. I can only imagine being hot, or if you sweat, or by the water. Love it. I think of that. So.
I mean, you gave me two. I still think I won this round, but
I'm gonna give you that.
But
I claim round one. I'm gonna claim round one.
Yeah, I will claim round two.
But I feel like
let us know in the bottom if you all have some of these scents. Let us know your thoughts and what do you think? You're thinking about buying them? Yeah. Okay, so we're going to work every day.
Work every day.
Okay. I decided to throw in Bal de Freak. Ooh. Okay, so there's like they have scented candles and different things. Okay. But this, I actually got this because the perfumer said it was a image of what Africa.
Come on, Africa.
So this would be my everyday.
Okay.
This would be my everyday, but
it does have an oriental and like light musk smell. So that I can see that as an everyday.
Yeah. And it doesn't, now this is not a lasting all day fragrance. So this is not going to give you an 8-hour, you would have to like make sure that you apply your oil and your body care, but this is not going to give you all day. So if you were like a nurse or, I'm thinking of somewhere where you don't want like this heavy scent. This heavy, like, I think this would be something that you could enjoy and get away with. Yeah. Let us smell it again.
Yeah, let's smell it one more time. Yes, like that's that.
And it gives you like a hint, like you can get where he was going with the Africa.
I feel like the ancestors spoke because it's in the smell. Like that's that inappropriate hug. Whereas they smell so good, and you just be like, it's so good to see you. Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Well, maybe I won't wear it to work.
You might get it right.
Yeah.
All right. I'm just saying. Yeah, it might be in your favor. Peace and blessings. So, okay.
So what's your work every day?
So I'm gonna keep it really light.
Mm-hmm.
My everyday is going to fall under the Armani collection. Very simple, nothing very heavy. I think that it's a pleasant smell. It definitely, this smell to me is not going to probably fall as a unisex smell. So, fellas, if you're looking for something that you can wear every day, whether it's in the office, if you're someone that works out in the field, or maybe you're constantly going to clients, vice versa, this tends to be a scent that if you were to spray, I could call it the Holy Trinity, 3 areas in your body, it does tend to give you more of a lasting scent throughout the day. So, like clothing, it will carry that scent. Probably not so much if you're outside, but having it on you, you feel like you've been walking, or if it's warm, you have this the scent of being outside. This is definitely a great way of having a balance. Okay. I know for me, within my day to day, if I have to walk outside, or if I'm searching, or if I'm going over meeting clients, this is always a good balance for me. So, take a whiff.
Yeah, this is a good everyday. This is a really like out the shower. Yeah, it gives me out the shower, clean, very, very airy. Yeah, I love this, man. This is a good one. And actually, I've seen this kind of circle back around on like suggestions. I've seen Giorgio Armani come up a lot. This is a good one.
It's a good one. And then this is also, to me, it's a brand where it's classic. It's a staple among scents. Mm-hmm. But it's probably also for an everyday scent where you don't mind spraying it. It's definitely going to be affordable, guys. So thinking about your overall, sometimes, we love a brand and the bottle's $400. Like, I love Creed. I know Creed's going to cost that. However, if I'm not looking to spray my $400 bottle every day, what can I find that's going to be somewhat economical? The Giorgio Armani brand, you have a couple of them that fall in different categories, but you literally have something that you can wear every day. Like $100 bottle of cologne, I would spray that every day. Mm-hmm. Something over that, I'm going to be looking at like, what's the occasion? Right. Where am I going? Yeah. Are you worth me spraying this on me? Like, just saying.
Yes. Okay.